Hey guys, having some issues with our lazy Susan. Basically, you can tell it's off the pole is off the track, so it's all wobbly. And you have to get the pole back inside the hole, or at least back on the track. There is no screw that helps to keep it in place. You literally have to tighten it. So, all right. So now I test it. It no longer seems to be wobbly. It seems to be moving pretty good now, and I think maybe that was the problem. It just kind of came off the track, maybe due to the weight of all the things that were on top. But I hope you found this review helpful. If so, please let me know. Leave a comment in the comment box below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.